Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to present you with another great video about Linux commands. In the previous video, we have seen some basic commands in Linux. If you are new to Linux, I recommend you watch that video before this. Use the link above to watch that video. So let's jump to today's episode. When it comes to an operating system, it is important to know the way how you can check the hardware information of your device. In Linux, we have a few commands which you can use to check your hardware details. First, let's see how we can check the CPU information of our machine. The command for that is cat/proc/cpu info. Here you can see your processor details, its model, cache size, and some other information about your PC. Next, we got this command free-simple-h. Using this command, we can check the free and used memory of our device. If you are to become a Linux administrator, this is a command that you must know. The result of this command shows the physical memory status and the swap memory status. The swap memory is something that Linux uses as a logical memory. In case the physical memory runs out, Linux can use this swap area to temporarily store data in its physical memory. As you can see here, you can check the memory status by running this command. Then we have another command called dmi decode to check hardware information from the BIOS. Here you can see much information retrieved from the BIOS. This contains BIOS information, system information, and some other important information for an admin. The next command we are going to see is the lsblk command. If you're interested in understanding how your storage devices are organized, this is one command you should try. As you can see, the command gives you an overview of all your blocked devices. Here, you can check details like the device name, size, type, and more. If you need to check what hardware is connected to your machine, the next command is for you. The lspci is a command line utility that provides detailed information about all the PCI buses and devices in your system. Let's run this utility with option simple v. As you can see here, it gives us information like the device's vendor, model, and the kernel driver in use. The next command we're going to see is the lsusb command. Using this command, you can see details about connected USB devices. As you can see here, it shows available USB devices within our system. If you need more information, you can use the simple V option with the command. Previously, we checked storage blocks using lsblk command. For the next command, we use these block labels to get detailed information about a specified block device, such as a hard disk.
The command is hdparm.
Let's run this command with a hard disk name, which we found in our previous command. We need to use the option -simple-i to specify a device. Then give the path of the disk /dev/sda. Here you can see more details about the disk block. Okay, now let's say we need to perform a read speed test of our hard disk. Using the same command we have used before, we can do that. For that, we have two options, simple T and capital T. By using the simple T option, you can test the speed to access the disk through the cache. And using the capital T option, we can see the speed to of reading something from the cache. So finally, we got a command to check unreadable bad blocks in the disks. The complete command is badblocks-simple ss/dev/sda. After the checking process, you can see if there is any unreadable bad block in your specified disk. So guys, those are the commands that we plan to cover in this video, and if you need any further clarification about those commands, drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.